Today on Make a Drink, we're making hot buttered rum with 7-Up. Not too long ago, I shared a video featuring cocktails in this booklet, Great Drinks Made Simple with an Assist from 7-Up. The booklet was from 1964 and featured dozens of cocktails with 7-Up, and I made 7 of them. That seemed the most interesting to me, but I left off what is probably the most interesting and unusual of all of them, the hot buttered rum with 7-Up. So I thought we would make it today, and it's very simple. Some dark rum, some butter, and some boiling 7-Up. Before I began filming, I filled up my glass with hot water, and I'm just gonna set that aside. First, we'll start by boiling some 7-Up. I'm gonna turn this to medium heat, and once it hits a boil, I'm gonna turn it off. Discard that hot water from your glass and add in 1 cinnamon stick, 1 slice of lemon, and a dab of butter. Next, I'll add in 1.5 ounces of a dark rum. And now I'll top this with some hot 7-Up. So there you go, the hot buttered rum with 7-Up. The only thing left to do is to try this. So cheers, hot buttered rum with 7-Up. It tastes about exactly what I would expect it to taste like. I think maybe I had some higher expectations that it would transform beyond the simple ingredients we're using here. The lemon lime comes through, and with the lemon and the cinnamon, and then some of the dark caramely notes from the dark rum. My hesitation here with this in general is not specific to this exact cocktail, but hot toddies, hot rum cocktails that use some spices like cinnamon and lemon, is that it reminds me of being a kid and drinking Theraflu when I don't know if it still comes in like the little, paper foil packages that you would dump into a glass. That medicinal flavor, and it could just be me. It could just be that it's stuck in here and I can't get it out. But that's the first thing that I'm picking up here is a strong Theraflu flavor. Now, it's not my favorite drink from that booklet, but it's not the worst one I've had either. I'm probably not going to ever make this again. But I do think that the subtle flavors of the 7-Up with the fresh lemon and the cinnamon, if those flavors are something that you like, then I think this is worth the use of 1.5 ounces of rum if you have some 7-Up on hand. But would I go buy all these ingredients to make this? I would not. Do you think there is a way you could fix this, which would be to make this a cold drink served on ice with a Dave Arnold style butter syrup? That would probably be delicious. That's it for this one. Hot buttered rum with 7-Up. Not the worst thing I've ever had here, but probably the most unusual. So if you found this video interesting, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to this channel if you have not already, and otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.